for you?
Yep.
Really?
Your part 2 should be in pretty soon.
Part 3 anyway.
Part 3. Oh yeah.
Because that one stopped short for some.
Oh yeah.
At least I got one good part off my SD.
Oh my god, it's hot in here. Not as hot as it was that July.
Cold over that way.
Holy cow. It would stop raining, that'd be cool too.
Got it.
I saw that out of the top of the freaking sunroof. Hmm. Well then.
Mm-hmm.
That came from the north.
Really?
Yeah, the last flash of that. As you can hear, it just came from behind us.
Ugh. Got a message.
Okay.
That's kind of what my phone sounds like. Kind of weird. Why it does that?
Oh well. Oh, okay then. Oh, thank you, car.
Really? I'm blind.
They can see right in here now through your window.
They could probably see me.
Ooh.
They could probably see us anyway. Because of the lights moving
Oh yeah,
around.
from our camera. Okay. I would laugh if that was Mrs. Ray.
Maybe. No?
Holy cow! Jeez, the rain stops and now look. Oh my god. Here it comes. Oh my goodness. I think we can roll the windows a little down so we can actually hear the thunder a little better.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look how much the windows are fogged up.
Yeah. Oh wait, don't do that though. My mom will get mad. We did that last time and she got kind of mad. They'll defog when I. You go ahead and roll down your window a crack. Oh crap! It's on auto. There we go.
Mine's
Just
down
a-
that far.
Just a little bit out like that.
Let me get some air in here.
Yeah. There we go. That already feels better.
I can't see. Turn your blinders off. My God.
Oh, there we go. As he turned them down. Hello, person. God, those are bright headlights.
Oh, I can hear the music playing.
That's a weird song. Screamo. Oh, very nice.
Oh, Screamo, I don't care. I don't really care. Just shut it off already.
I believe we can actually safely step outside if we wanted to.
We can roll the windows down.
Oh my goodness.
A little further in this car, too.
Oh, and since that was awesome.
Since you what?
Just listen to that. Stupid car. Since I turned the car on for a second, the airbag's gonna do that thing again here pretty soon. Just to let you know. We can step out after this car turns. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and step out, because geez, to the north. Where's the freaking handle? There it is.
Right there.
Put
See,
these.
ain't you glad I...
Nice. There we go. Oh, here comes another car, of course. From the east. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and go around this way.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah, over our heads. It'd be funny if somebody from school sees us again. Yep. There it goes. This thunder's awesome and all, and so is the lightning, but I'm kind of feeling a little uneasy standing right next to a lightning rod.
Yeah, we should try.
Move out into the street a little bit. At least we won't get hit, but we might just be deafened
Loud enough? I don't think so.
and fall down.
Huh?
If the car gets struck, we'll just be deafened and fall down. That was cool.
Feels a little bit better out here than it did before we started doing this.
Yeah.
It was hot before we came here. Then rain cooled everything down.
Yeah.
I've seen very many more bolts.
Ooh, I've seen quite a few.
If you see any, they might be over there.
Yeah, that way's been tricky. Is that really another car?
Yes, it is.
Gosh dang it. That was cool. That was a spider web. Oh.
It's over us.
Over our freaking heads. Over our head-tacular devices. Oh, why did I say that? I'm gonna move this way. I'm gonna stand right next to the lightning rod again. Oh my gosh. I saw that. Starting to sprinkle again. Well, that was weird. What is that car doing? Okay, just closed it. I'm so freaked out right now. See, did you see how the light started from that way and into that way?
Mm-hmm.
If there wouldn't have been a cloud there, we would have seen an awesome spider web going on.
Over.
Okay. Look at the fingers on that one.
And that one.
Hey, you might want to say that overhead lightning quote.
I don't remember it.
You really want to see some more overhead lightning? There you go.
Nice.
Dude, that was really purple to the east.